Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there lived a wise and kind Jedi named Qui-Gon Jinn. He was known for his calm demeanor and his knack for finding the hidden strengths in others. One day, Qui-Gon met a young boy named Anakin Skywalker. Anakin was full of energy and curiosity, but he often let his emotions get the best of him. Qui-Gon saw potential in Anakin and decided to train him as a Jedi. As Qui-Gon taught Anakin the ways of the Force, he stressed the importance of control and patience. "Remember, Anakin," Qui-Gon would say, "the Force is not something to be controlled, but to be guided." Anakin struggled at first, but with Qui-Gon's guidance, he began to master the Force. He learned to use it to defend the weak and bring peace to the galaxy. One night, Qui-Gon had a dream. In the dream, he saw a dark future. He saw Anakin being tempted by the dark side of the Force. Qui-Gon knew he had to prevent this from happening. The next day, Qui-Gon took Anakin to a remote planet. He told Anakin about his dream and spoke to him about the importance of staying on the path of the light. "Anakin, remember," Qui-Gon said, "you have the power to change the galaxy for the better. But it's up to you to choose whether you'll use that power for good or for evil." Anakin was determined to choose the path of the light. He promised Qui-Gon that he would never let the dark side tempt him. Qui-Gon was proud of Anakin and knew that he had made the right decision in choosing him as a student. Years passed, and Anakin grew stronger in the Force. He became a great Jedi Knight and helped bring peace to the galaxy. Qui-Gon was always watching over him, guiding him from afar. One day, Qui-Gon's time came to an end. He passed on, but his teachings lived on through Anakin. Anakin continued to use the Force for good, just as Qui-Gon had taught him. And so, Qui-Gon's wish came true. He had found a young boy with potential, and he had guided him to become a great Jedi. His legacy lived on, inspiring future Jedi to follow in his footsteps. The end.